What are the biggest challenges currently faced by e-commerce companies?
E-commerce companies face a range of challenges today. I guess the most significant one are the increasingly changing customer expectations. So consumers demand a very seamless digital experience, and therefore, yes, you need to provide the best service to your clients.
What do you think is changing, or where do you see the future of e-commerce?
Of course, AI again. I guess we face lots of new technologies coming up every single day, nearly. We need to focus on the systems which are really benefits for the customers. So there are lots of things which are in a beta version right now. So we need to work out what is working right now for the customers, what is delivering more values, and what can we already work with.
What are the decisive factors for choosing an e-commerce system?
Scalability, flexibility, a seamless digital experience. In the end, that is what counts. Therefore, we love to explore new features like a Shopware Pass, AI features, also headless e-commerce. That are the things which are really important right now.
So tell me about the relationship between Basecom and Shopware.
So the strategic partnership with Shopware is crucial for Basecom, because it allows us to provide our clients a very flexible, scalable and future-oriented e-commerce solution. We really aim to have a strong and good relationship with the Shopware team to always explore new features and innovations to provide our clients the ability to stay even stronger in a very competitive market and stay ahead.